Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use dynamic QR codes on your product packaging. Using a dynamic QR code on your product package, you can share educational information about your products. You can tell your customers about the story of your brand, and you can even give some instructions, or you can just provide your ingredients. For this example, I will use Coca-Cola's ingredients page, and I will just copy the URL and go to qrcodedynamic.com. From here, I will click Generate QR Codes and then choose URL. I want this QR code to be dynamic, which means if I change the link later on, I won't have to change the QR code. Like, I can change the ingredient or I can change the instructions on my products, but I won't have to change the QR code. So that's why I will check this box and continue with Create. Okay, I will paste the URL right here. And one of the best parts is that you can even customize the URL of the QR code. Okay, we are ready. Let's click Create. You can see there are other customization options for the QR code as well. You can make it temporary. You can schedule a time for this QR code to work. You can just add page weave limits and then protection. You can put a password on it if you want to. Okay, I will continue with Generate QR again, and I will choose URL. This time when I check this box, I can see my link right here. Okay, after that, it's all about customization. You can choose a style for your QR code. Then you can choose a color that goes well with your brand design. From the branding, you can add your brand's logo on your QR code. And then from the options, you can arrange the size of your QR code, the margin size, and error correction capability to ensure your QR code is readable even if it's damaged or dirty. Okay, it's good to go. Let's click Create. Okay, our QR code is ready. We can just print it or download it in multiple formats. I just want to show you quickly how you can use it on the product in a real use case. That's why I'm going to Canva. Here you can see a Coca-Cola product, and from the elements, I just looked for Scan Me, so that I can choose appropriate design for this product. And then from the uploads, I will just upload my QR code. Okay, let's make some arrangements to it. Okay, this is just an idea of how it might look, and you can just apply the same strategy on your products as well. So this way, when people buy your products, they can easily scan the QR code on your products and they can see the ingredients or instructions or whatever you want to provide them with. Give it a try and let us know what you think.